This week, I had an opportunity to speak at an executive roundtable event. It was a great event. I was able to spend an hour talking a little bit about performance labs, the courses we teach, and talk through some of the gaps that I see in AI adoption within organizations. During the Q&A portion, a question came up that was related to creativity. And the concern was that tasks that used to be more mindful have become made much easier through the use of AI. My issue with that is this. Work tasks that are made easier by AI likely were not really using your creative brain in the first place. And oftentimes what I see is that AI use within organizations is not very intentional. It's actually quite mindless. And so when you think about creativity and intentional AI use, here's a great example. I have absolutely no idea how to write a line of code, and yet I've been building web applications now for a few months and just figuring it out. And the reason is because I know I have on-demand intelligence on my side. So I spent hours building this new application. The goal is to create a pulse survey by which leaders can help track AI adoption over time, with the goal being to show leaders irrefutable proof that when AI is adopted properly, it can drive real business outcomes. So I stood up this working prototype. It's working great. I deployed it to Supabase so that I could add authentication database function, and the whole thing broke. I've been pulling the little hair that I have left in my head out, trying to figure it out. But I know that through my persistence, through continuing to iterate, to use my very human creative brain, I can solve the problem. So if you think that AI is going to stifle creativity, remember that's the same thing that artists said about photography. So please shift your mindset, realize what's possible, harness the tools that you have at your disposal for like $20 a month, and get out there and build some stuff. Explore your creativity and have fun. Cheers.